Do you want to know how to teach young children at home, to help them reach the pinnacle of success in their life? This video explains the Japanese way to teach young children at home. That is probably the best, and the easiest to use. Japanese children are very polite, very clever, and very well behaved in public places. What do Japanese parents do differently to teach young children at home? When helping preschool children, their focus is nurturing good attitudes and behaviors, instead of learning academic skills, such as reading, writing, and counting. So, Japanese preschool children are allowed to do almost anything they want. Their parents consider them to be flawless, and therefore, accept everything they do. Their parents have unconditional love for them, no matter what they do. As a result, Japanese children know that they can always rely on the love of their parents. And the Japanese education system unleashes the almost limitless potential within every child. It does so by bridging the gap between the radiant intelligence of children and the feeble mentality of average adults, as observed by Sigmund Freud. What lesson can we learn from the Japanese parenting system to teach young children at home? Treat preschoolers as superstars who need your help to fit into this world and discover their genius. That means recognizing their vast intuitive intelligence and treating them as budding superstars. But the problem is, you don't get an instruction manual when children are born. Therefore, you have no idea in which field they are destined to be superstars. So, don't try to force them into some mold that you have imagined to secure their success in life. Remember that all children excel in what interests them the most. To discover their field of interest, get them diverse educational toys, and closely observe their interests. That can be in music, dancing, painting, sculpting, building, math, science, or technology. Gently encourage preschool children to reach higher and higher in their areas of interest. Say, for example, your preschooler loves to play with a smartphone. Let them use it in the safe airplane mode, and give them access to a computer with internet. The Japanese help preschoolers embrace modern technology, such as computers and digital cameras, while embracing their traditional lifestyle and culture. And they are taught to treat even inanimate objects with loving care. For example, if they break something, they learn to take care of that broken thing that must be feeling very sad. And they make sure other helpless objects don't suffer the same sad fate due to their carelessness. From these novel Japanese ways, we can learn 7 best ways to teach young children at home. 1. Inspire them to find and develop their inborn abilities in their areas of interest. This will help them achieve the highest levels of success by doing what they love most. 2. Focus more on nurturing good attitudes and behaviors, and less on reading, writing, and math skills. This will help them learn academic skills fast, and interact well with teachers and students. 3. Teach them to treat all adults, children, animals, plants, and objects with respect and care. This will help them value everyone and everything in their environment. 4. Love them unconditionally, and never cause them emotional pain or embarrassment. So, they will tell the truth at all times, without any fear of consequences. 5. Expose them to safe new technologies, and their cultural heritage and traditions. This will help them develop technological skills, in harmony with their cultural heritage. 6. Be their role model at all times, because they will follow what you do, instead of what you say. So, you know that good parenting requires total awareness of everything you say and do. 7. Have fun with them every day, and take them outdoors, whenever possible. This will help you enter their magical world of make-believe, and become their playmates. Finally, don't be disappointed by their setbacks, since there is no formula for success in life. For example, Albert Einstein was slow to talk, socially awkward, and failed in many subjects in school. Be guided by what Sigmund Freud said about the distressing gap between the radiant intelligence of every child, and the feeble mentality of every average adult. Make sure how you teach young children at home, to unleash their inborn genius, is totally different to what average parents do. And when things go wrong, remember what Mr. Miyagi said to Daniel-san in the movie Karate Kid: no such thing as a bad student, only bad teacher. You have a wonderful opportunity to become a good teacher and a loving parent, simply by using the Japanese way to teach preschoolers at home. Thank you for watching this video, in the homeschooling playlist on Best 5-Minute Life Hacks. We share new thinking on homeschooling, to help your preschoolers fly high in their lives. Please support us by clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and leaving a comment or a question below. And click the notification bell, so you won't miss our next week's video, on homeschooling made easy.